Hey everyone! Today I'm taking you on a crunchy journey to discover how one of your favorite breakfast cereals, cornflakes, are made. Trust me, it's as fascinating as it is delicious. So, how do we go from a simple corn kernel to those crispy golden flakes in your bowl? Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the vast, sunny fields where corn is grown. These fields are usually located in regions where the soil is rich and the weather conditions are just right for growing maize. Once the corn is ripe and ready, it's harvested and transported to the production facility. Now, here's where the magic starts. The first step in the cornflakes making process is cleaning. The corn is thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt, debris, and other impurities. This is crucial for ensuring the quality and purity of the flakes. Next up, the cleaned corn is soaked in water. This softening process makes it easier to remove the outer husk and germ. Once softened, the corn is then cooked. This is where it starts to transform, acquiring that distinct flavor we all love. The cooking process also involves adding a dash of sweetener and a pinch of salt, enhancing the taste that wakes us up every morning. After cooking, the corn mixture is then rolled out into thin sheets. These aren't just any sheets, they're the precursor to those iconic flakes. The sheets are then toasted to perfection, transforming them into the crispy golden flakes that make our cereal so special. The toasting not only perfects the texture, but also locks in the flavor. Finally, the flakes are cooled and packaged, making their way to supermarkets and stores around the world, ready for you to enjoy with a splash of milk or however you like them. And that, my friends, is the journey of a corn kernel turning into the cornflakes you love. It's amazing how a simple process brings out such incredible flavor and crunch, right? Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tasty travels. Until next time, keep enjoying your food explorations.